she is who she says she is.
You are watching Kaydeenation Stories. Stay tuned and happy viewing.
The balance is breaking.
Then we fix it.
No, child. We survive it.
You are the bridge and the weapon.
What are you?
I am what existed before balance.
Who was that? She existed before balance. And me, the bridge and the weapon? Then who's their balance? This is strange.
It is time you remember. Remember what? You are not just a man. You are of the keepers of the boundary. The vision you just had said it all. We're the ones who stop spirits from crossing, and you are the last. Now, carry this light into the world.
There are three forces now. You are the balance, while DK is the corruption, and the one behind him, the origin of chaos.
Can we stop it?
No, but we can seal it.
You are no longer bound, you are becoming.
I only wanted her.
And now you will take everything.
I feel both. They are not fighting, they are one.
She has crossed the threshold.
Stay behind me!
This is no longer defense. This is war.
Daike, stop this.
There is no stopping this.
So be it then.
That is the true enemy!
He's not the enemy. He's being used.
Oma, don't.
If I fight him, I may lose him. DK, fight it.
It's breaking through! Then we end it before it enters this world.